Your server goes down at 2 a.m. You only find out when your boss calls you at 7 a.m. That is not a career-defining moment. And it is completely avoidable. Zabbix is a free, enterprise-grade monitoring tool that watches your entire network while you sleep. By the end of this video, you will have it installed, configured, and alerting you before problems become disasters. Let us get into it. Here is the problem most junior IT pros face. They set up a server. It runs. And then they just hope it keeps running. No visibility. No alerts. No data. That approach works until it does not. Network monitoring gives you three things: visibility into what is happening right now, historical data to spot trends, and alerts that tell you when something breaks, before the users do. Now, there are paid tools out there. SolarWinds, PRTG, Datadog. They are powerful, but they are expensive. We are talking thousands of rands per year. Zabbix is different. It is completely free and open source. It is used by banks, telecoms, and government departments worldwide. And it runs on a basic Linux server. Even a virtual machine in your home lab. For CompTIA students. This also ties directly into your Network Plus and Linux Plus objectives. Understanding monitoring, SNMP, and alerting is tested content. This is not just a lab exercise. It is exam prep with a real-world result. One more thing. If you do not have a Linux server to run this on, Hostinger VPS plans start at under 200 rands a month. The link is in the description. It is what I use for my own lab instances. Now let us build this. We are working on Ubuntu Server 22.04 LTS. A fresh install. 2 GB of RAM minimum. The steps will be very similar on Ubuntu 20.04 as well. Step 1. Install the Zabbix repository. Run these two commands to add the official Zabbix repository to your system. // wget https repo.zabbix.com/ubuntu/main/z/zabbix-release/zabbix-release_6.4-1 plus Ubuntu 22.04_all. deb sudo dpkgi zabbix release _6.4-1 plus Ubuntu 22.04_all. Deb sudo apt update .. Always pull from the official Zabbix repository. Do not install from the default Ubuntu repos. The version there is outdated. Step 2. Install Zabbix server. Front-end. An agent .. sudo apt install Zabbix server MySQL Zabbix frontend PHP Zabbix Apache Conference Zabbix SQL scripts Zabbix agent y .. This installs everything you need. The server, the web frontend, and the agent, which is what reports data back to the server. Step 3. Set up the MySQL database. Zabbix stores all its data in a database. Run this to log into MySQL and create it. .. sudo mysql u-root p create database Zabbix character set utf-8 mb4 collate utf-8 mb4 _bin. Create user, Zabbix, at localhost, identified by